Dimples Hair Removal Cream is a quick, gentle and effective method of removing unwanted hair for silky soft and nourished skin in the comfort of your own home. This product is suitable for use on arms, underarms and legs. Always read the instructions and warnings carefully before use. When using the product for the first time, it is strongly advised to carry out a patch test on a small area of the skin 24 hours before use, taking care to avoid broken, inflamed or irritated skin and sensitive areas. Apply the cream with the spatula, covering the unwanted hair with a thick, even layer. Do not rub the cream into the skin. Leave between 3 and 6 minutes, depending on the skin type and texture of the hair. When removing the cream, start by testing a small area. If the hair comes away easily, continue to remove the remainder of the cream. Then simply wash away any residue with cold water and apply a clean towel with a gentle action to pat your skin dry. To find out more, head to the Dimples website.